Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 18th June 2024. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones generated in our yesterday's report. So before evaluation of these high liquidity zones, an announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So from our channel, click on this community tab, then you will get an access to this post. And this post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. Just click on this link. I'm clicking on the link. Now we are into supply demand zone price action course playlist. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates, we will provide at our Telegram channel. Now let's get into the evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones. The first one we are going to evaluate Titan. This is a this is a daily high liquidity supply zone. We have a drop, two candles, base candles, and again a drop candle. This is what our software identified, and today we got a good trade from this stock. First let us check, let me explain how I fine-tuned this zone. So let me go to the 75 minutes time frame. In the 75 minutes time frame, here we can find an ERC candle as a leg-in, we have a base candle, and then we have a drop candle. This is the 75 minute zone. Inside this 75 minute zone, again identified the 15 minutes zone. So here again you have a ERC candle as a leg-in, two base candles and a drop candle. So this is the 15 minute zone. Inside this 15 minute zone again we identified a fine-tuned 5 minute zone. There we have identified the institutional order flow. So this is the 5 minute zone. Here you have a rally candle, medium size rally candle, then a base candle, and then a drop candle, rally, base, drop. So this is the 5 minutes fine-tuned zone. And today we got a trade, but the point you need to observe, those who used entry buffer only get a successful trade. The blue color line I have drawn, this is the maximum entry buffer, 0.1% of our entry price. The blue color line is the buffer we added, and today price crossed the blue color line. I went a little up, but it did not enter into the exact fine-tuned area because the order flow is very strong. But definitely we used the entry buffer, we got a trade, and then it reached the 15 minutes target. Actually, it is not the 15 minutes target, it is the 5 minutes target. Why I did not use 15 minutes is, it's very, very far away. See, rally, base, rally, it's very, very far away. And why I have selected 5 minutes, you can question. Here itself, we have 6% ROI is there, close to 6%. Till this area, from here to here. And to reach this level, at least it should get around 14 to 15% ROI. I do agree, there are times we may get this ROI, but rarely we get. But now market volatility conditions are settled down compared to the volatility conditions during the elections day and couple of days after the elections day. So achieving this much ROI is practically not easy. So that is the reason why I have selected. In case if anybody is waiting, this is the first opportunity. You got a trade, and here, in case if you are expecting even more target, again it has given another opportunity to exit here. Again another opportunity till the closing of the market. So definitely you have to exit here in this rally-based rally. Even if you expect your prices to reach up to here, instead of exit in this candle, probably somewhere here or here, you have to exit. There is no other option. Only thing is you might be losing the time. You might have lost the time. Instead of exiting in this candle, you would have exited. Or you would have exited here. But ultimately this is the target. Even if you aim for this 15 minutes target. But anyway, you already got 6% ROI in this candle itself. This is a 10 o'clock. This is morning 9:35 candle, you got the entry. And 10 o'clock it reached the target. Almost in just 25 or 30 minutes, your trade is completed. And this is the way you got 6,650 rupees profit, which is 5.9%. Actually, it is 5.94%, close to 6%. Because I am giving up to only one digit ROI. So 5.9. So it's close to 6%. Our average intraday ROI for high liquidity zones. So it is achieved. So this is the only one successful trade in today's trading session. But there are few other high liquidity zones. How we fine-tuned is very interesting. Some of the recently you land concept, the strategy, the new strategy you land. We have identified, based on that we have identified one of the stocks that we will discuss. The first one is Alchem. This is a high liquidity daily demand zone. Here you have a drop, two base candles, and again a drop candle. This is the high liquidity zone, daily high liquidity zone. If you go to the 75 minutes time frame, the price structure is not at all good. Easily this zone will be violated, such kind of feeling we get. See, the price structure is not at all good. But if you observe a little above this daily zone, there is a drop base drop which is overlapped at the distal line of this daily zone. That means this is the 75 minute zone, which is the origin for the creation of daily high liquidity zone. That means the daily high liquidity zone picked up the orders from this 75 minute zone, and thereafter the zone is created, high liquidity zone is created. And for the creation of this zone, this 75 minute zone is the responsible. That's why 75 minutes zone is the origin for the creation of daily high liquidity zone. So this is a new strategy I developed in the recent time. This is what we discussed in our training lesson 22, the most recently available training lesson. There I have explained this strategy in detail. In case if you did not listen, please go through that lesson number 22. So you will be able to understand this strategy. So this is the strategy. As per this strategy, we identified this 75 minutes. And within the daily, 75 minute zone is not there. But at the distal line, 75 minute zone is overlapped. Now we are going to fine tune this 75 minute zone. So let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. So here we have a 15 minute zone is available. We have a ERC candle as a leg-in. We have a base candle and a drop candle. This is the 15 minute zone. Inside the 15 minute zone, we have a 5 minutes fine-tuned zone. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. So here you have a rally, two base candles drop. That way you can treat. Or this is a ERC candle. First one is the ERC candle, then base candle drop. This is the way also you can draw the zone. I consider like this. This is a rally candle, ERC candle, base drop. That way I fine tuned this zone. See, from this zone how it picked up the orders. and then created this daily high liquidity zone. From here the orders are picked up and daily zone was created, daily high liquidity zone. After that again this zone is tested. Prices went down. Once again prices went there, picked up the orders and again came down. See how powerful this zone is because of the new strategy we developed. So my plan is again to plan another trade. Nothing wrong in taking another trade until this zone violation, because the zone is very minimal, risk is very minimal. Definitely nothing wrong in planning a trade until the zone is violated. But today the prices did not enter into this zone, so we didn't get the trade. Next one is Bosch. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. So rally base rally, but 15 minutes time frame, I didn't find any proper price structure. That means this zone will be violated easily, so we didn't plan any trade on this. Anyway, prices didn't come into this zone. And the next one is PI Industries. In PI Industries, this is again a daily zone, 75 minutes zone, demand zone. We have ERC candle as a leg-in. We have two base candles, but leg out is very big. That's why this zone is very big zone. But inside this zone we identified some good order flows. See here you have a rally candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles, again a rally candle. This is the 15-minute zone identified. And here again another 15-minute zone, drop, base, rally, and good follow-through candles. These are the two zones are available. So again fine-tuned with 5 minutes time frame. In the 5 minutes time frame again we have a drop, we have a drop, base and rally. So we have this fine-tuned 5-minute zone, and this zone is already tested. Previously prices entered into this area, picked up the orders and again see a good move. So it is no more a fresh zone. So that's why we don't plan any trade in this zone. But below again we have another fine-tuned 5-minute zone. We have a rally, base, rally. This is a fresh zone. So this is the one you can plan a trade. But anyway, today prices did not enter into this zone. The price action is outside the zone only. So we didn't get a trade. And next one is a CUB. CUB is an invalid zone. The reason is it is a retail traders zone. Because it is on Saturday this zone was created in 75 minutes zone. See, leg-in is on Saturday, 18th May, on a special trading day. After that, two base candles. So that's why we don't plan. The entire base is because of the retail trader. We don't plan. We should also appreciate one of our members who also pointed out this zone in our comment section of our HLQ report. So we must appreciate Ajit, who also alerted all the members. See, always appreciate the members. When somebody is trying to help you, it is your responsibility to appreciate and encourage them. See, today the zone is easily violated. And next one is PVR Industries, PVR Inox. This is also a 75-minute zone. We have a rally, base and drop candle. And if you look into this 15 minutes time frame, it doesn't have any proper, see here entire candle is having a wick. So previous candles anyway you can't consider them. Already we have some rally, base, drop is there, or ERC candle, base candle, a drop candle with hidden body, or maybe you can consider this a drop. But this entire zone is violated due to this leg out candle. So that's why here we don't have any order flows valid. Here also we don't have any valid order flow. So that is the reason why we didn't plan any trade. Unless a new 15 minutes zone is created, a new zone, and push the prices down institutions, in the next retracement we can plan. Otherwise this zone will be violated. So these are the high liquidity zones we identified, and we got one successful trade from Titan. This is what we discussed already. Hope this information will be helpful to you, and also we found a good example for our lesson number 22, the recently learned concept. So a practical example you have seen, that is Alchem. So definitely this is a good video for all those people who are practicing your concepts. Okay, let me take a break here. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.